Ndewo makwam. Welcome to lesson 7 of Igbo in Diaspora. Today, we're learning how to talk about hobbies in Igbo, the fun things you do in your free time. Let's go. What are hobbies? Hobbies are called ụmụ ọrụ ntụrụndụ in Igbo. Ụmụ ọrụ ntụrụndụ. These are activities you enjoy doing for fun, learning, or relaxing. Let's learn how to name your favorite hobbies in Igbo. Here are some common hobbies and how to say them in Igbo. Akwụkwọ, reading. Ịgba egwu, dancing. Egwu, singing. Iri nri, eating. Nkuzi, teaching. Now, let's use them in full sentences. Anam agụ egwu. I am singing. Anam agba egwu. I am dancing. Anam akuzi nkuzi. I am teaching. Practice saying your own hobbies with Anam. Let's listen to this short dialogue. Kedu ihe masịrị gị ime n'oge ntụrụndụ gị?
Ịgba egwu na-amasị m.
Ọ dị mma. Ana m ege egwu Igbo. Try translating these sentences into Igbo. I love reading books. I dance. I love to eat. I like to sing. Put your answers in the comment section below. I'd love to see them. It's time to review our vocabulary for this lesson. Akwụkwọ, ịgba egwu, ịkụ egwu, igwu mmiri, ikiri film. So now a little homework for you. Write 3 sentences about your hobby in Igbo. Put your reply in the comment section. The phrase of the day is ihe na-eme m obi ụtọ bụ ịkpọ egwu. What makes me happy is playing music. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Nri na ihe ọṅụṅụ, food and drinks. Thank you for learning with me. Bye. Godi.